Good morning, everyone. It is the 9th of February, 2013, and this is the big blizzard. The view right now is looking back up the hill, although you're not going to be able to see much. Average wind speed in the last 10 minutes is 25 miles an hour, but we've had gusts up to 53, I think Paul said. Here's the view looking over towards the garage. You can see it. It's only a few car lengths away from the house, and you can see how the snow has drifted. We had a gas grill on the porch, and this is where we found it this morning, completely blown over. I'm going to take a quick walk down to the end of the porch. And this is our normal, beautiful view. I've now got snow in my eyes, so I can't see what I'm filming. I'm going to pause for a second. And lest we think that the boy is growing up, here he is out in the drift outside his bedroom window, making a snow cave. You might want to know that that child is 5'9" or 5'10" tall. And when he stands up, the drift is almost as tall as he is. On the other hand, the wind is blowing so hard that there are places where you can actually see the grass. I'm out on the porch in front of the living room now. This is the view to the west that I showed the other day in the still pictures. As you can see, the snow is blowing sideways. Lots of it. I assume it's still coming down, but we really can't tell. Learned a great expression on the online Genome list from Scotland. Blowing a hoolie. It certainly is. Not much of a view today. It's cold, so I'm going back inside. Bye.